Hi everyone, my name is Srishti and today we have with us Anshul. He was directly involved for property search when his parents were searching for properties. Then he will be letting us know when his parents were searching for properties and what are the various problems he has observed because he was also trying to search for properties and look for that what is the best option available. So let us hear out his experiences and gain some insights about the same. Hello.
Hello everyone, myself Anshif. So actually when I was, my parents were looking for a property, so I noticed some problems which they faced and were linked to the property search. So firstly though was that like we visited some places that were not nearby to our residential area and was far away. So we were not known to that area, so we were not actually aware about the real price of that area, and the price which the dealers or the brokers told us was too much high from the actual price of the area. And the second problem which I thought that was occurring while searching for property was that when we visited the various dealers, so firstly they demanded for some commission instead of showing us valuable or the asset which we'll be looking. They asked firstly for the commission that we want like 4,000 or 5,000, then only we will show you the properties. And the properties which they showed us was, I was not thinking that they were telling us the genuine price which the original seller was available to sell. They were already taking the commission, and the commission charged by local dealers was way too high, like 4 to 5% on the properties.
Okay. And have your parents tried to search online or have you suggested them ki we can even try to search for properties online?
Yes, once we visited a site online also, the site was too laggy, and the performance of the site was also very bad. So we decided to look offline only. Moreover, when we were looking on the online sites, so first problem was there that there were multiple sites which were showing the same property, and the price of the same property was different on different sites. For example, on X website the same property was costing a different price, and on the Y site the same property was costing another price. So that was the main reason that we were not able to know the genuine price and the genuine seller that who was selling the property, and what is the authenticity of the property. And secondly, we can say that in online seeing the property, we do not able to get the like what's the area locality and what's the it is available for residential, it is a good locality, and what's the facilities available, that water facility, the electricity facility, or the network facility. And in today's times these are the basic facilities which one need to survive in the.
Right, right. All right, Anshul. I think these are the very genuine concerns which you have shared with us. And everyone must have felt all of these challenges at some point when they were searching for properties. Thank you so much for sharing your
My
thoughts.
pleasure.
Thank you.